This year I decided to showcase my veils a little bit differently. I'm going to do video spotlights of every veil that I have in this collection and all my past collections. That way you could really see how it looks on a bride. You could really see how the fabric moves. Just more detail that's so important, that's so hard to visualize through a photo. So I really hope that the video showcases of these veils this year will really help you guys. Also a little bit different about this year is I am going to only release one veil at a time when I do my video spotlights. That way I can really focus on designing each veil and making it absolutely perfect for you before I release them to purchase. So I'm excited to see how that goes. Instead of launching a full collection at once where it's a bit overwhelming, I'm just going to do one at a time. This year I really want to focus on doing veils that match almost 99% of all dresses as far as style. The laces that I chose, I'm so excited to show y'all. I chose lots of appliques, things that are delicate and spacey, things that flow really well with most dress designers. And lastly, this year I'm really striving to offer something from everyone. So if you're a bride who wants something very simple, something very traditional, then of course we have it. But if you're a bride who wants something that's 12 foot and dramatic, 15 foot, we will have that too. With all the struggles that you may be dealing with in planning a wedding at this time, choosing your veil will be the easiest part.